Hi again. Today we'll start with the factorizing algebraic fractions, how we factor an algebraic fraction. Okay, so first of all, we should know that factoring the algebraic expression is the reversing. To reverse is mainly to reverse the distributive law that we explained in the previous session. So instead of having of moving from this side to this side, we are moving from this side to this side. First of all, we should know that we have here two terms, and not in general. In particular, if we have a two term, we want to factor them. What are the common factor between A, B, and AC? We have A, we have A. So normally it is the A. If we took A, we have only A. If we took A to the outside, so we should take, or we should write inside a parentheses, we should write the rest of the first term. We took A away, so it remains B, and we took A away, which from the second term we have a C. So it is very beneficial to factorize each term using the highest common factor, the HCF of term that we want to factor, okay, as one factor. The HCF, the highest common factor, could be positive or negative term, okay? As we said before, the highest common factor is easy to find. If the HCF of the term is used, so it allows us to say that the expression is fully factorized. So first of all, we have here two terms. So we decompose each one into primary factors, like for example, 18, can be written as 2 by 3 squared and by a power 1. 12b can be factored like 12. If we divide it by 2, we'll obtain a 6. If we divide it by 2, we'll obtain a 3. And finally, 3 can't be divided by 2. It is only divided by 3 to obtain finally 1. Sorry, 1. So we stop here to take 2 power 2 and by 3 as primary decomposition of 12, and b is b power 1. The highest common factor, the highest common multiple is using the common factors with the lowest exponent. So with the 2, it is a 3, and a power 0, so we don't take any a, and b power 0, because here we have a b, we have here b0, so we don't take b. So normally it is a 6. So the highest common factor of 18b, a, and 12b is 6. So let's complete, okay, to rewrite 18a, the first term, algebraic term, as HCF 6 by 3a, because if we divide 18 by 6, we'll obtain, for example, 3a only, and the 12 can be written as a 6 by 2. Okay, so when factoring, it is easily can be factored, this for example, algebraic expression, by taking outside 6 or as common factor, and we open parenthesis to and after taking away 6 from the first one, it remains 3a, and the second one remains 2. It's easy. And also you can take the second exercise as homework, and also the fourth one. And so it is very easy also to factor when we want to factor. For example, 3 terms is the same. We take the first term and we write it at primary decomposition, and the second one and the third one, and we take the highest common factor. We have a 2 squared 2, 2. We take a 2. We have a 3, don't have a 3, we don't have a 3, so we have a 3 power 0, so we take 3 power 0, so we don't take anything because 3 power 0 is equal to 1. We have a 5, we don't, so we miss the 5 in the other terms, so normally we don't take anything. Okay, we have a and not in the others, so we don't take it. B, so it is common, we take it. A C, we don't have a C in the other with D and the same, so 2B is the highest common factor of these 3 algebraic factors or terms. So we take 2B outside the brackets or parentheses. And what we multiplied by 2B to obtain 4AB, it is a 2A. And 6BC, if we take 2, so like we divided by in a way as a division. So like we take away 2B, we divide 6 by 2 to obtain 3, and we divide it by B, like we simplify by B, it remains C, so normally 3C. And also we divide 10 by 2, we'll obtain a 5. We divide that by B, we obtain only D. So it is easy to obtain this factor form. Okay. And if they ask us about if the following statements are true or false, for example, 12AB plus 16A equal to 2, 6AB plus 8A. It is easy to, for example, use the distributive law. For example, 2 by 6 is 12, 12AB, true, until here. So, and secondly, 2 by 8A, so it is 16A, so true, but not fully factorized. Why? It is but partially factorized and not fully factorized, because 2, it is not the HCF of the 2 factors, okay, of the 2 terms. For example, here we take 4A, okay, as common factor, and we can say it is easily and truly fully factorized. And the third statement is false, because if we use the distributive law, 4 by 3, 12, 12AB, true, but 4 by 4, it is 16, 16, it is a 16AB, so normally 4 by 4 is 16A, so normally it is true. What is the difference? 4 by 3, so normally it is 12AB, and 4 by 4, normally it is true. It is true. Okay, I don't know where is the problem. Okay, true, but partially. Okay, but partially factorized. Why? Because also we have A is a common between 2 factors inside. Okay, we also have another other factor than 4. We have an A also here and here. Okay, good. And you can complete also to find out about these statements if they are partially or fully factorized. These are the crucial information about factorizing algebraic expression. Thank you for listening, and algebraic fraction. Thank you for listening, and bye-bye.